Hello friends. Being an ideal and responsible global leader, Indian government has from time to time served various foreign nations in their various issues such as their internal conflicts, in war, in food crisis, pandemic, natural hazard, or any technical or intellectual supports to the foreign nations. In India's neighbor, whether it is the 1971 liberation war of Bangladesh or it was the Tamil militancy in Sri Lanka or it was the 1988 military or coup d'etat of Maldives. Indian armed forces has always selflessly served to foreign land with their motto of cause for justice. So in this video lecture we will going to discuss about coup d'etat of 1988 in Maldives and in its response the Operation Cactus launched by Indian Armed Forces. Maldives, which is a tiny island nation located in the southwest coast of Indian subcontinent, is located below the Union Territory of Lakshadweep, with Malé as its capital. It saw various coups in its history, but the 1988 coup was a major coup, which was led by certain native Maldivians and was led by its leader, a businessman Abdullah Hanifi, and they were assisted by Tamil secessionists from Sri Lanka. Soon these mercenaries and rebellions has acquired many public places and important and strategic locations of Maldives. To citing all this scenario and the tense situation in Maldives and that the Maldives government is losing their hold over the whole Maldives. At that time, President of Maldives, President Gamin, he requested various countries for military interventions. Initially, President Gamin requested the nations of Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and Singapore for their military intervention, but they denied any form of support or help, citing that they lacked military capabilities. Then further, the President Gamin he requested United States of America. United States of America told them that it will take them around 1 to 2 days to reach the island nation from their nearest military base, which was located in Diego Garcia, 1000 kilometers away from Maldives. Then after that, uh, Gamin requested United Kingdom. United Kingdom suggested them to seek the assistance of Indian government and Indian armed forces and Indian military. When India was appealed, India soon requested their appeal unconditionally, and then they planned the whole operation within a short span of time, and then they launched an operation which was coded as Operation Cactus. Operation Cactus was launched on 3rd November 1988 at the midnight of 3rd November. It was a joint operation of Indian Air Force and Indian Army. Indian Air Force aircraft Illusion 276 has airlifted the personnel of Indian Army who were the parachute regiments, the 15th Battalion of Parachute Regiment, Then, apart from it, it has also included the 50th Independent Parachute Brigade and the 6th Battalion of Parachute Regiment. So these were all the commandos and special forces which were trained by Indian Armed Forces. Now they flew non-stop from the Agra Air Force Station for around 2000 kilometers, and then they finally landed on the Malis International Airport in Hulhule Island. So you can estimate the such a long distance which they have covered uh, within 9 hours uh, of the appeal of President. Agra, which is located at the upper north part of India, and Maldives, which is located on the far south part of Indian Ocean region. Now, citing all this, after the Indian military personnels, when they landed there, they soon and quickly acquire many important locations and public buildings and important cities, government buildings from the militants. And when Indian Armed Forces has strategically started countering the mercenaries and rebellions, mercenaries felt that soon they would lose all their battle in front of armed forces of India. So they started fleeing and fleeing away from Maldives towards the coast of Sri Lanka in a hijacked frigate. But some of them were captured, rounded off, and handed over to Maldives government by Indian military. And in this Operation Cactus, Indian Navy also had played an important role. The Indian Navy's frigate named as Godavari and Betwa, they soon has they immediately captured all these flooding frigates of mercenaries, and then they captured all these mercenaries and handed over them to Maltese government. So with the robust assistance of Indian Armed Forces, their strategic planning, quick decision making, and quick planning, within 1 to 2 days of the appeal of President Gamoon, Indian Armed Forces has quelled the coup de militant of Maldives, and thus they saved this tiny nation from getting into the hand of dictatorship or getting into the hand of external powers which would have their vested interest, and they would have caused threat to the security and safety of Indian Ocean region and security of India. So this was the Operation Cactus. Thank you.